How to add BuddyPress report features for non-logged-in visitors. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add BuddyPress report features for non-logged-in visitors. With this feature, everyone can report any posts and members on your BuddyPress site, even non-registered users. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress moderation. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Moderation Settings. Scroll down to the Messages settings box, then enable reports. You also can add more report subjects if you want. And then, you can set up any other things. Like who can report items, who can moderate items, make visitors can report too, and other dozens of features. If you want. Let's see the result. Visitors now can report any members and posts on your website without the need to log in. Once the report's sent, admin can moderate it from the dashboard. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.